Okay, first off, we're going to select a project from the Smart Input section of MoTi. Let's choose the Black Friday AD project. Click Open. Now that it's open, we need to define our layers and specify the type for each. Let's categorize these layers. Lee's set these star icons as background elements by clicking the tag. These love and icon layers will be set as support visuals since they support the main key visual. I'll label this discount layer as a badge. All these text layers will be tagged as caption. Since Black Friday is our main title, I'll select title for those layers. If your layers are already named specifically, like tagline, the system will recognize them automatically without you having to manually assign tags. Now for the image layer, this is our product. If the layer was named product or model, the system would automatically identify it as the key visual, KV. Since it's just named image, we need to manually select KV so the engine knows how to treat it. Once selected, you'll notice square brackets appear next to the layer names for the website, call, and order now layers. I'll set them as caption, but for the order now layer specifically, I'll define it as a button. This triggers specific animations from the MoTi engine. Finally, I'll tag this large element as a background element. Under the Global tab, you can adjust the animation speed. Before hitting Run, you can check the overall animation in the preview window. It shows everything according to your design ratio. I'll set the duration to 5 seconds. I'll press N to trim the comp to the work area. If you want an outro, just toggle the outro switch to On. Regarding the background fade, this makes the background fade in with color. If you don't want that, just turn it off. I'll keep the speed at normal. Once everything is set, just click Run. Boom! The engine processes everything automatically. If you press Ctrl+A and then press U, you'll see the outro keyframes have been generated. If you decide you don't want them, simply toggle Apply Outro off and hit Run All Layers again. The automation is great, but I want to polish the background layer a bit. The wave, chonk, curve background element feels a little late. I'll press U, grab the keyframes and slide them forward so the background is already in place by the time the earphones appear. To avoid a blocky look before the entrance, I'll manually add some scale keyframes. Since we have an outro, I'll just copy-paste and reverse those manual keyframes for the exit. It saves so much time. You only need a few minutes of polishing to make it look perfect. And that's it. Just render it out. It's incredibly easy and saves a ton of time. Work smart and stay chill with the MoTi plugin. It's coming to the market very soon. If you want to grab an early bird deal, feel free to send us a message. Love you guys. Peace.